The creators of FLIR LVSS are adopting an innovative strategy capable of transforming an ordinary pickup truck into a surveillance hub in a matter of minutes. Utilizing a 5-meter mast equipped with a combination of radar, cameras and sensors, this system can effectively cover a 20 kilometers radius 24/7. The claim is that it can simultaneously track over 500 targets. Remarkably, FLIR LVSS not only displays these targets on a map, but also categorizes them. The operator can manage everything from within the cabin, with all essential information conveniently appearing on two 17-inch screens provided with the system. Now, shifting our focus to the RHEINMETALL LYNX KF41IFV, one of its primary attributes lies in its versatility. In instances where required, it can transform into a light tank by incorporating a 120 mm caliber smoothbore gun, identical to the one featured in the Leopard 2 tank. In its standard configuration, the LYNX KF41 comes equipped with a 35 mm Wotan automatic cannon, a 7.62 mm machine gun, and ATGM launch capabilities. This vehicle is tailored for a crew of 3 and can accommodate up to 9 infantrymen. It boasts a top speed of 70 kilometers per hour and can manage a payload of 18 tons. When characterizing the MANTIS modules, versatility perfectly encapsulates their essence. Available in various versions, these modules are adaptable for mounting on different vehicles, including IFVs, boats, and warships. For instance, the Mini MANTIS on a pickup truck features a 7.62 mm machine gun and a modular optronic system for reconnaissance, aiming, and firing. The most advanced MANTIS version can effectively engage targets with a 12.7 mm machine gun and 30 to 40 mm grenade launchers. Both iterations of MANTIS modules are effective against UAVs, and the manufacturers are open to creating customized versions to meet specific customer requirements. Making waves at the IDEX Defense Show is the Stinger, a light armored vehicle tailored for reconnaissance, patrolling, and beyond. What sets the Stinger apart is its remote control capability, reaching speeds of up to 120 kmph. It meets STANAG 4560 standards, offering protection against 62 X-51 MID NATO bullets and 10 kilograms landmine explosions. Impressively, it can be customized with machine guns, 12.7 mm or 30 mm cannons to align with specific customer needs. Finally, let's shine a light on Inlatech's work, specializing in creating inflatable decoys. According to reports, the company provides these decoys to NATO member nations, producing approximately 50 decoys monthly. A regular inflatable tank from Inlatech's work weighs around 100 kilograms, and it takes just 4 people and 10 minutes to set up. Despite the cost, up to $100,000 each, inflatable decoy sales increased by over a third last year, showcasing their continued popularity among customers. Comment below to share your thoughts on the video and subscribe for future updates.